Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I just have a Amazon haul to share with you. This is like a late birthday gift to myself, I guess. Or not to myself, but it was contributed mostly by a fellow crafty girlfriend here on YouTube. And I won't say her name. Just so privacy sakes. But anyway, the Amazon, typical Amazon, they sent everything in pieces. So some of these envelopes have one thing. So here's one thing. This is insane. And then here's another envelope. This is all the same purchase. Same purchase, but yet they send them all in like separate envelopes. Just making sure. Okay, so I picked this up. This is the, what's this called? The add-on for the KS Craft truck, which I have right here. It has Easter and Valentine's add-ons in there already. So I purchased the Halloween add-on. I was supposed to get the Christmas also, but I totally forgot. I did pick up her KS Crafts word sentiments or junk journals. I do not have this one. This one is, it has 540 pieces and it has the gold foil, but she also includes a white sheet. So on the top we see the black with the gold. And then the second layer, there's a second part to it. Yep, there you go. So all the same sentiments, but you get some in black and some in white. So they look like this. I'm sure you all are familiar with these, but look at that. Kindness is contagious. You get 2 sheets of this one. Kindness is contagious. I'm reading the very first upper left corner. And then 2 sheets of the best day ever was today. How sweet. So you'll get the same thing in the white. You'll get 2 of those. Kindness is contagious. And then 2 of the best day ever was today. I think these are really cute. And I love the gold on it. Look at that. So beautiful. Well done. There is another word sentiment. I already have that other set, but there's a third one, I think. And I think they look like, what is it called? Anyway, it's a different font is what I'm trying to say. So that is the add-on for the truck. This is the soldier. Yeah, the nutcracker. Okay, so here is the next envelope. It's so funny, and they're all like different packaging. So funny, Amazon. I did choose the send it all at once in one packaging, but they didn't do that, so I don't know. So weird. I did pick up the fancy leaves. They come in a plate and there's 2 sizes. So you get these here, the large, 4 leaves. Love that they're facing different directions and they're different. Actually, they're the same. They're all the same. And then you get the smaller size. So I can't wait to cut these out with some black foil paper. So that's been a minute. And then the last one, I think there's only one more left and then that's it. Yeah, I mean, look at how big this envelope is. And guys, don't throw these away. I hold on to them. Oh, this is the Halloween word set. So I missed out on the KS Crafts September release, her bundle. I missed out on it, so I'm picking up a few of the pieces. This one is the Halloween 2023. This is Boo. I usually like to write, where does my pen go? I usually like to write the words so I know what's in the packaging. But it is Halloween. her new Halloween word set. And this one says, let me just pop that off. Haunted. So we have haunted. We have boo with the exclamation. We have candy. I think we have several styles of candy, the word font. We have, ooh, spider. It's pretty cool. And then we have potion. Very cool. So I love these. I have to do a better storage for the words. I mean, sentiments, because I keep them in these packages. This was not the right pen to use, but that's okay. I'll go over it with a Sharpie later. So yeah, that is it. I need to find a better solution for my sentiment dies, because they're just everywhere. So I got to find a better way to store it. Anyways, thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're new here, welcome. Feel free to subscribe to join the Crafty family. It's free. While you're at it, hit the notification bell. That'll let you know when I load a new video or when I go live. And to all my subscribers, I don't consider you all subscribers. I consider you my friends. Thank you for always being there and supporting my channel. And I know I'm always like a hit and run and all that, but I really do appreciate you all. So I'll see you all on the next Crafty video. Oh yeah, and give it a thumbs up. See ya. Bye.